Welcome to EKTV. Today, a very shallow magnitude earthquake was occurred in Tonga. The quake hits Tonga today, 22nd February 2022, at a very shallow depth. US Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.5. And German Research Center for Geosciences also report this quake with the same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.